So we looked at how a set of dialogues, a conversation, can be synchronized, or in simple language, a sequencing can be done for it by using a very simple way, that is timer. You can imagine it's going to get really confusing if you were to use timer for lot of dialogues. There were 4 to 5 dialogues, and you had to count after how many seconds each dialogue has to be said. And imagine it will get even more complex if the first dialogue we decide to change its length, say make it longer, make it shorter, and then you have to recalculate timing for everything. So, the topic of synchronization is a very important topic when it comes to giving instructions to computers. In Scratch software, is a very easy method to manage this synchronization, and that is provided by something called an event. So, we're going to come to the event block. This pair of two messages, one is broadcasting a message and one is receiving a message. So now imagine a situation in which you and your friend, you decide to stand back to back and say your dialogues. So each of you have 10 dialogues, and you're in a game in which you have to say one that the other person has to say, and there should be no overlapping, there should not be too much pause, you have to be efficient. Now what you're allowed to do is exchange chits of papers. Think what you can do. You say a dialogue, you pass the note, the message, the piece of paper to your friend. As soon as the person receives it, says their dialogue, when your friend finishes it, passes the chit to you. When you receive it, you say your dialogue. So basically, you're using this note to synchronize your dialogues. So let's map it to characters on Scratch and their dialogues. In this case, the baby elephant. It says its dialogue and it passes a message. And now this passing of message is going to be done through using called broadcast. Now when you broadcast, you can give it a name. So we will give it a name and we will say Why Nandi. So baby elephant has said its dialogue and at the end of it done a broadcast Why Nandi. Now mama elephant is not going to wait on a time. Okay. Instead, what it is going to do, it is going to wait on an event, and here the event is when I receive. All these events have round on top. It means they do not connect to other coding blocks. New flow of instructions. Now what mama will do is when I receive, and you choose which message. So why Nandi. So when I receive this message, then I play this sound. That is my answer. So wait is out. So on when green flag clicked, I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to just wait. Till when am I going to wait? Till I receive this message. When I receive this message, I will say my dialogue. Now this cycle will continue. Once the mama elephant has finished, and now the baby elephant has to say a dialogue, what we'll do here is we'll do a broadcast and we will do a new message. And we can give it a name. Do you know? And now the baby elephant, which event will it pick up? It will pick up when I receive. When you click on it, you see multiple messages. Which one do you want to see? Do you know? And now when you say do you know, the baby elephant can do multiple things. It doesn't have to be only say a dialogue. So have fun do lot dialogues, do your voiceovers, and the story will come alive. Have fun creating.